Good afternoon, this is One Man, his ukulele, live from deepest, darkest Devon. Doing another shout out. This one's for Baz. I know you've had a few problems and he wanted a bit of a song to cheer you up. So you've asked for Creedence Clearwater Revivals, Have You Ever Seen the Rain? So this one's for you, Barry. Again, apologies for the singing and my dulcet tones, but here we go. The ukulele playing's not too bad though. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before a storm, but I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, or so they say, it'll rain on a sunny day, but I know, shining down like water. But I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Yeah, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a rainy day. Yesterday or the day before, the sun is cold and the rain is hot, but I know, been that way now all my time. Till forever and on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, but I know, it can't stop, I wonder why. Now I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Yeah, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a rainy day. Yeah, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Yeah, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a rainy day. Well, I hope that was all right, Baz. I hope you're feeling okay, mate. This one's for you. And yeah, hope it was all right. Sorry about the singing again. And ukulele playing not too bad. So have a lovely day. Peace out. And speak to you again soon.